Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing with you. This is an order I placed with Burpee for the garden. So I am excited to open this and get these products because seed starting season for me is just around the corner. So I am getting ready in every aspect. I'm cleaning all of my tools, cleaning all of my seed starting trays, and getting my seed starting setup, my new setup set up. So it's back behind me. It's in process. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this box. This is an order I placed last week, and I want to show you guys what I got. Get this open. I've got to do this really quickly because I have about an hour before my kids come home, so I want to do this before they get here. Anyway, wasting time. Wasting time. All right, let's see what's in here. Wait a minute. Okay, scratch what I just said. This is not, okay, so I placed a Burpee order, yes, but this is actually a gift from Burpee. So I just want to share this with you. I thought this was my order. I thought it was just, but let me show you guys what I got. Oh, wow. Okay, so we've got some easy to use seed sower. Great for sowing small seeds. That is super cool. Awesome. I can't wait to use that. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is so cool. This is like seed storage. Let me look at that. Ooh, that's cool. Oh, that is so cute. Let me read the bottom. The seed house at Fort Hook Farms. That is so cool, you guys. Cute. Squash. Okay, that's my invoice. And then we've got some seeds here. Oh, cool. This is tomato, super sauce hybrid, zinnia. I love my zinnias, you guys. Love, 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 love. Awesome. Basil, pesto party. Wait, yeah, pesto party. So cool, so cool. Okay, and then I've got this summer squash, golden egg hybrid. Cool, yay. Oh my goodness, look at this shovel, you guys. This trowel, it is heavy. This is a nice trowel, oh my gosh. So cool. Look how beautiful that is. Look at this beautiful wood. I cannot wait to use this, you guys. So excited! And then last but not least, look at this. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh, so cute. I'm so excited to get started with seeds and harvesting. This is awesome. Such a beautiful basket. Heavy duty, you guys. This is awesome. I love, 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 love it so much. So the next unboxing video will be my order that I placed. I didn't realize that that these gifts were coming. I thought it was my order. So thank you to Burpee. Thank you to you guys. And I can't wait to see you in the next video.